Alright, box breakers and pack rippers, we're back with another special live episode with Joe and Abe at the card shop. We got a full house here today. We're going to be cracking into this Yu-Gi-Oh! If you didn't see our last video, go back and check that out. Abe and I broke into the Pokemon box. Here's Joe's card, Arizona Trading Cards and Collectibles. If you're in Phoenix, stop by and see him. Otherwise, hit him up on Facebook. So what do we have here today, Abe?
Alright, so what we're going to be opening is it's a Yu-Gi-Oh! Special edition box. It's not special edition box, but a special box. It's a set. It's called Dark Saviors. You got cards like the Fur Hires. You got what most people are looking for is the Strikers. I can't remember the name right now for the life of me. And then we also have the Vampires. It's 3 main sets that came out of this. Really cool. A lot of it's been going to the Sky Strikers. I've been going to taking it all the way to big tournaments, so it's really cool being able to open this up and share this moment with you guys.
Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for subscribing. Hit the like button. Go back and check out our other ones. Oh man, got some good ones. Here we go. Is there any weird sequence?
Not for these.
Perfect.
Let's get into it. Start from the front.
Start from the back. Okay. All right. Oh, Abe's gonna go get us some sleeves.
I forget them all the time.
Look at that. They're not all shiny like this, are they?
In this set, it's just, like I said, it's a special set. So they do all the commons or hollows, and then the better cards would be what's called a secret foil.
So do we need to sleeve all these, or just do them later?
No, we'll just leave the key cards. So right here we have Tune Table of Contents. It's worth a couple bucks. It's a good card.
Cha-ching!
Right. Here, I'll take that from you. Again, another card that's worth a couple bucks. It's called Allure of Darkness. Really good draw card.
Awesome. Ooh, look at that one. That's got a lot of sprinkles on it.
Alright, so this is what the secret foil is. It has this kind of like side angle foil, really nice texture to it, versus what's the super foil, which is just a standard reflector to it.
Right now, it's kind of builds either
Yeah, here at the card store, you never know what's going to come in. It's a lot like the pawn shop.
Feels like it sometimes.
because both can discard both.
Okay, this is Sky Striker cards. Nice, thank you.
Vampire Awakening. Heard there were a lot of vampires in this one.
Thank you. And this is our first for hire card, which is Fandora, the Flying Fortress. A lot of puns in this. It's yeah.
Nice.
Thank you.
Oh, that one gets a sleeve. Oops. There we go. Sky Striker.
Okay, so this is Sky Striker Ace, the monster for the Sky Strikers. Thank you.
And whatever this one is.
Shark Cannon.
Nice. Next pack. Oops.
So we have Drowning Mirror Force, a really good defensive card. Thank you.
Mystic Tomato. Might be my favorite card so far. Look at this guy. Oh my gosh. Alright.
And Scapegoat.
Ooh,
Very strong card.
cool.
Still at 2 in the advanced format right now. Thank you.
Sky Striker Airspace.
And another Shark Cannon. See, it's misleading because you get to see that little bit of Sky Striker beforehand. As we know, we're trying to get that end gauge. We'll see if we get to it.
End gauge is what our lottery card is?
Yeah. This card. This card used to be worth like $3 a piece, but since they on the ban list, it just went down to 1. It is an essential one, but it's still 1. Play Spreader, very good card.
Vampire Red Baron.
Horns of the Phantom Beast. Very old card right there. Wow, that's a good card. Here we go. We got Raphael, the champion for hire. It's worth a little bit. I believe it's sitting around $15 right now. So,
Cha-ching! Cool. Well, at $105 a box or whatever, we got a ways to go to make it back.
here we go. We got Helmer, the helmsman for hire. Oh, these names are so lovely. Thank you.
Seal strategist for hire.
Yep.
Love it.
It's just a really cheeky, kind of fun play on words.
This person looks tough, this vampire.
Yeah.
You putting sleeves on all these? No. Only the ones that need them?
Yep. Anything that's worth a little bit over, it's worth taking care of them a little bit, right?
Yeah.
Start with our Mirror Force. Thank you. Thank you.
Quick booster.
Very pretty card. One of my favorite artworks.
Little fast fact. Abe's an artist.
Yeah. I try my best. It's been a while.
Sounds like he needs to practice some more.
Thank you.
Vampire Desire. I don't know why the camera grabbed a hold of that, but it likes this little spot right there.
Yeah. Well, that's cool. Thank you.
Next pack. So how many packs were in this box?
There's a total of 24 packs.
24 packs. 5 cards per pack. 5 foil cards in every pack.
That is correct.
Interesting.
So here we got
Recon Scout for hire. Shadow Vampire. Scapegoat. Vampire Retainer. Oh, it's kind of crazy looking. Striker Mecha.
Oh, there we go. Another money card. There we go.
Cha-ching!
So that is Widow Anchor. Very good card. One of the more higher priced cards of the set. So it's very nice to see that pull.
How much?
Thank you.
15?
I think it's 25-ish right
25?
now. Yeah.
So we had 25 and 15.
Yes.
We're up to about 40 bucks maybe.
Plus to $4, so 44-ish at the minimum.
We should have time at the end and we can do a quick recap. Seals Strategist for hire.
Another Allure, so that's another $2.
Another $2. Cha-ching. Vampire Vamp. Nice. Foolish Burial. Sky Striker. If you're gonna double up on cards, you know, you hear us complain all the time when we double up, but if you're gonna do it, you may as well do it on the good one.
I'm sorry, that's pretty good. That's really good.
Vampire Koala. He looks cute and cuddly until you look him in the eyes.
This is one of my favorite vampire artworks.
That is cool.
Right? Really pretty.
Ooh, that one's cool too. Just in time for Halloween. Nice. Armageddon Knight.
Wow, another good one.
Beat Bladesman for hire.
Such a good box. And we're only on the first half.
Hopefully we didn't open all our good ones.
Yeah.
So this guy's in here and he's got a bunch of comics over there. You can see him. Joe's trying to make a deal right now live here at the card store.
They're dollar ones retail.
Look, the guy thinks they're worth a lot more. Joe's trying to get him for something where he can make a little profit. Got to leave a little profit in there for the card store. All right. What is this? Curry Bandit? Is that how you say that?
That is correct.
Sky Striker Ace.
Not a bad card, worth a couple bucks.
Sky Striker Airspace. Reinforcement of the Army. That one's cool artwork.
Can't do any better than that.
You can in the comic book store if you want. It's up to you. I mean, you don't have to sell
Sky Striker Mecha.
Yeah, it's a long name. Sky Striker Mecha modules, multi-roll.
Next back. Sky Striker Mecha Eagle Booster. Vampire Awakening. Pandora the Flying Fortress.
If I want to sit and wait, maybe.
Another Ace Ray.
Another Vampire Desire.
Those are the minions they use in
Like, hey, dude.
Ooh, another Mystic Tomato. This looks like a Garbage Pail Kid. Some of you viewers won't know what Garbage Pail Kids are. Some of you will. And look, it's going in the same sequence. So we talk a lot about sequencing because we've done several videos on sequencing, and usually the good ones, they'll follow right along.
None of the games, huh?
No.
Drowning Mirror Force.
Not a bad card, not great, but not bad.
Dinah. Hero for hire. Cool.
Yeah.
X-Back.
I really like them. Huh? It's basically a negate to the Metal Knights.
Shadow Vampire. Donpa. We've seen Armageddon Knight.
A lot of dudes messed it up, man. Because if you went and you bought this, it was autographed, and you put it to a show and it was autographed.
Not a bad card, not a bad card.
$1.
Give or take.
You see what I'm saying?
I like to think of the good cards at like double digits at least.
Okay, that's fair. That's fair.
For me, $1, yeah.
Well, it stacks up.
It does stack up. It's, yeah.
The sticker with the serial number.
Donpa. And we just have him.
Yeah.
Vampire Grissom.
But what I'm saying is, you see how there's a sticker?
Yeah.
They put the sticker with the certificate,
Shell Power.
and then they have a serial number on them. I mean,
Vampire Red
you
Baron.
can't switch them.
Okay, this one looks sprinkly.
Alright, so it's Maneuver Jamming Wave.
Sky Striker.
You see over?
Cool.
Yeah.
And they got 10 minutes
Check out, video will be up.
Not worth much.
Check out the box breakers. Ooh, look at that one. It looks like the tomato.
He's lost a bit of his
Vampire
health, but
Koala.
so far, it's-
Curry Bandit, we saw him. Vampire Dominator.
Okay. This one was around $2. So like 4.5. Yeah, I have 4 too.
Drowning Mirror. Seen that one. Mystic Tomato, the third time. I should have never mentioned it because now we're just keeping getting a Scapegoat. I think that's the third one of those. Sky Striker might be the third one. And then we got this guy.
Dothnier.
Thank you, because I don't know.
Vampire Sheridan.
You got it.
He looks
That's
tough.
not worth much.
Not much on that one though.
Again,
50 cents, not $1.
It's a couple, maybe a couple bucks.
Okay. Not double digits.
Not what you're looking for right now.
Vampire Sorcerer. Mirror Force, we've had this one. I don't think we've had Horn of the Phantom Beast.
Just once before.
Okay. Sky Striker Ace.
Yep.
And Vampire Desire we've had like 3 times. Next pack. Helmer Helmsley for hire. Bravo Fighter. Seal Strategist. Oh, I like these ones that are black borders. It's cool. Let's see, we got... I always have good luck when I... Hey, we always have... What's his name? Tavon. We always have good luck when we open on camera. Just saying. Just saying. You're welcome to open yours here on the Box Breakers anytime.
Magic?
I guess so.
No.
Or Pokemon?
No. Just the ones that were, like
Look at that one. That's cool.
Yeah.
Another Dyna.
Yeah.
Oh, we already had that one? Yeah, we've got 4 packs left, and then we'll do a separate video for your box, and we'll get that up right after this one.
Yeah.
Yeah, they'll be open here.
Yeah, they'll be open here.
Or you'll be open out there.
Yeah, I'll be open out there.
Shadow Vampire. How many of these scapegoats do we need? We've had this guy. We've seen this person.
All you need is 2.
All you need is 2. That is very. In some cases, all you need is 1. But scapegoat, all you need is 2.
Vampire Vamp.
Okay.
One guy just does framing.
Sky Striker, that's cool.
That's the one that,
Another tune table of contents. Very good.
Another one.
so like they said, it's
And a lure.
Everyone please bless Abe now.
I'll receive it.
this side is where
Unlimited blessings for all future sneezes.
Okay.
the other guy doesn't do any of that stuff.
Next pack.
So, to repeat, in this box you have the Sky Strikers as the new for hire, also new. Then we have the support for vampires.
Oh, no, it's not that. I guess it's
the box that only has vampires
when you play.
I have to see it.
Yeah.
These are all, we've had all of these.
From, around 12.
Oh, and you get
I'm trying to be there.
Armageddon?
Yeah, very, very playable card. A lot of versatility in the meta game.
You know how that works, man.
Oh, yeah.
There's one against it. Vanguards.
Alright, see ya.
Stem Knights.
Vampire Red Baron.
Sorry.
No, you're good. No, what were we saying? Go ahead.
Summoner is only.
No.
Wiz, Sage for hire.
See ya, Wiz, also another good card.
$5.
Give or take. 5 to 7. Maybe
Ching.
10.
Sky Striker Mecha.
All you need is 1.
Yes. Right there at 19th and Camelback.
Vampire Red Baron.
Camelback.
19,000 count.
Horn of the Phantom Beast. And our last card,
Another Raphael.
another Raphael. How many of those?
They'll buy
So
them.
here,
Yeah.
let's go through
And
the
then
higher
they sell
end
for a lot of
cards.
money.
All
Okay?
right, quick recap
I
for
took
you.
them over there one time.
Yeah.
They're like 25 cents a piece.
Wow.
Here at the pawns.
I'm just
Here
warning
at the
you.
pawn shop.
I got some old Bob Dylan, some old, what the hell's the other band? Spoon,
They'll
Love
buy
and
your-
Spoon.
All right,
Games
here we
out
go.
Let's go through it. Good.
Quick recap.
Other stuff.
All right, these are our money cards. Sky Striker,
Widow Anchors.
Cool beans.
Right there on
2 of
19th and Camelback.
2 of them.
Very good card. Card that's going up in price at the moment. It's seeing a resurgence in the metagame.
Nice. We like to hear that. And then how many for hires?
So we actually got 2 of the Raphaels, which are their boss card. And they right now in the new Soul Fusion set, which we the new Link monster for them just came out, which is very strong. A lot of draw power behind it.
Cool. And then our final 2, we had the Beat Bladesman for hire, and the Wiz Sage for hire. I think that was our final card, wasn't it?
That was.
Wow, what a way to end. All right, thanks for tuning in, guys. Again, we're here with Joe and Abe at Arizona Trading Cards and Collectibles on 24th Street in Osborne. Stop in and see them, or hit them up on Facebook. Hit the like and subscribe button for us below. We're still on our way to 1,000 subscribers. We're going to be doing special giveaways all along the way, so every comment will count as a random entry. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you soon. Thanks, guys.